You're staring at your credit card statement, maybe a little bewildered, maybe a little frustrated. You see a number, that percentage that seems to creep higher and higher, impacting how much you actually pay back. This isn't just some abstract figure. It's the cost of borrowing, the rate at which your debt grows if you don't pay it off in full each month. And when it comes to your Bread Financial credit card, understanding this number is absolutely crucial for your financial well-being. Think about it. Every purchase you make with your credit card, if not paid off by the due date, starts accumulating interest. This interest can transform a seemingly small purchase into a much larger burden over time. It's like a silent tax on your spending, constantly working in the background. Many people simply swipe their cards without fully grasping the implications of their annual percentage rate, or APR. But here's the truth. Your APR directly impacts how much of your hard-earned money goes towards the principal balance versus simply covering the cost of borrowing. The higher the APR, the more you pay in interest and the longer it takes to become debt-free. It's a fundamental aspect of credit card management that often gets overlooked until the interest charges start piling up. So, let's talk about the specific interest rates on Bread Financial credit cards. It's important to note that credit card interest rates are almost always variable, meaning they can change based on market conditions, specifically the prime rate. This is a common practice across the credit card industry. For instance, as of recent data, the purchase APRs for Bread Financial's Bread Rewards American Express credit card can range from 19.49% to 34.74%. This is a fairly wide range, and where you fall within that spectrum largely depends on your creditworthiness when you open the account. What does creditworthiness mean? Simply put, it's how risky the lender perceives you to be as a borrower. If you have an excellent credit score, typically 720 and above, you're likely to be offered an interest rate on the lower end of that range, perhaps around 22.49%. However, if your credit score is lower, say in the 620 to 719 range, you might be looking at a median purchase APR closer to 28.49%. And for cash advances, the interest rates are typically even higher, often in the range of 32.49% to 34.74%. Remember, cash advances also come with a fee, usually 5% of the amount or a flat $10, whichever is greater. It's also worth highlighting that Bread Financial, like many issuers, may have different APRs for different types of transactions. You'll typically see a purchase APR, a balance transfer APR, and a cash advance APR. And if you miss payments, you could even be hit with a penalty APR, which can be significantly higher than your standard rate. To find the exact interest rate on your specific Bread Financial credit card, the best place to look is your most recent monthly statement. It will clearly list your applicable APRs. You can also log into your online account with Bread Financial or call their customer service number. Knowing this precise figure is the first step towards taking control of your credit card debt. Understanding these rates is not just academic, it's financially empowering. If you're carrying a balance, even a seemingly small difference in APR can translate to hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest paid over time. It's why paying more than the minimum payment, or even paying off your balance in full each month, is the golden rule of credit card management. The less interest you pay, the more money stays in your pocket or goes towards actually reducing your principal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.